Fully restored. Understanding and using this English phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson. In this video, we're going to explore the phrase, fully restored. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner of English, understanding such phrases can really boost your fluency and comprehension. So, let's dive in. Fully restored is a phrase that combines two words, fully and restored. Fully is an adverb that means completely or totally. Restored, a verb in its past participle form, means to bring something back to its original condition or to repair it. Together, the phrase, fully restored, means to completely return something to its original state, often after it has been damaged or deteriorated. This phrase is commonly used in various contexts. For instance, 1. Antiques and art. The painting was fully restored to its original glory. 2. Buildings and architecture. The historic building was fully restored after the earthquake. 3. Technology and machines. The classic car was fully restored to its former condition. Understanding the context can help you grasp the full meaning of the phrase. It's important to avoid confusing fully restored with similar phrases. For example, renewed or repaired might seem similar, but they don't always imply a complete return to the original state. Fully restored emphasizes a complete and thorough restoration. Let's practice. Try creating sentences using fully restored in different contexts. Share your sentences in the comments below for feedback. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of fully restored. Remember, learning phrases like this can greatly enhance your English skills. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.